The watch stopped at 11:43 on a Tuesday morning 3 weeks after the funeral. Margaret had worn it every day for 37 years, a gift from David on their first anniversary. The inscription read, "Until time stands still," in his careful handwriting. For decades, this watch had been their conductor. Morning coffee at 7 sharp, dinner at 6, evening news together at 9. Its gentle tick had been the soundtrack to their shared life, matching the rhythm of their synchronized breathing during quiet Sunday afternoons. Now Margaret shakes it desperately, holding the silent face to her ear. Nothing. Just the hollow emptiness where time used to live. She tries winding it again, but the mechanism refuses to respond. The watch has chosen its moment to die, just like David did. No dramatic finale, no warning signs. Just the quiet stopping of something that once kept everything together. She opens the dresser drawer and places it inside, closing the lid on 37 years of perfect timing. Some things aren't meant to outlive their purpose.